In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Omaha. To get started, you'll use Nebraska's official citation payment system, also called the Nebraska Judicial Branch Internet Payment System. Before you begin, make sure you have your citation or case number ready, along with a valid payment method. The site accepts Visa, MasterCard, Discover, or an e-check, and there is a minimum processing fee of $1.25, so it's helpful to know that in advance. First, go to the official Nebraska state website at nebraska.gov. Once the site loads, look for the option labeled Pay Ticket or Citation and click it. This will take you to the online payment area for traffic and waiverable citations. When the next page opens, take a moment to read the information carefully. It explains that this service allows payment of waiverable citations issued by state or local law enforcement in Nebraska in a single online transaction. This is an important part of the process because it confirms whether your citation can be handled online. After you finish reading, click Next to continue. You'll then see the waiver of appearance and plea of guilty section. Read this page thoroughly before moving on, since it explains the legal meaning of submitting your payment online. Once you understand and accept the terms, click Agree. Next, you'll be asked to select the citation type. Choose the option that most closely matches the citation you received. This helps the system identify the correct citation format and details. After that, select the county where the citation was issued. Since this video is about Omaha, make sure the county matches what appears on your ticket. Now enter the citation number exactly as it appears on your document, then add the citation date. Accuracy matters here, so it's a good idea to double check both fields before continuing. In the person cited section, enter the requested personal information exactly as shown on the citation. Be careful with spelling, dates, and any identifying details, because even small mistakes can delay the search or prevent the system from locating your record. After that, enter the citation amount listed on your ticket. Make sure you type the amount correctly so your payment can be processed without issues. Once all the information is filled in, review everything one more time. This quick check can help you avoid errors and save time. When you're satisfied that all the details are correct, click Next to move forward with the payment process. That's how to begin paying a traffic ticket online in Omaha using Nebraska's official system. Follow each page carefully, review your information before submitting, and you'll be on your way to completing the payment smoothly.